Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.